All right guys, I'm about to change your life with this one. If you're having issues with opening the clamp and it getting stuck and not going down correctly, this is how you're gonna fix it. So what you'll need is a 6mm Allen key, and depending on which press you have, you can find out by calling ROQ and finding out which key you're gonna need for calibration, either two 3mm Allen keys or two 4mm Allen keys. This one specifically takes 3. There are 6 bolts under the printhead, and what you're going to do is break torque on those 6 bolts with your 6mm Allen key, and that's going to loosen up the printhead. So what you'll do is you'll get your 3mm Allen key, wedge it in between the printhead and the base of the press till it locks in place, like so. Right here it's locked. And you'll do that on both sides. Then you'll re-torque all those 6mm bolts on the bottom, and voila, your printhead is now straight again and the clamp is gonna work perfectly.